Good afternoon, all and one. This is RJ Bagade, research student from DBF Dayanand College of Arts and Science. First of all, I am thankful of SPP College Mandrup for giving me an opportunity to present my research paper in international conference on environmental changes, biodiversity, and sustainable resource management. My PhD specialization is land use effect on soil infiltration and porosity in Patalganga River Basin. I am here to make short presentation on effect of land use on infiltration, a survey and perspective. Let us come to the introduction. Today, according to our World in Data, the world population increased from 1 billion to 7.7 billion today. Half of the world habitable land use is used for agriculture land. As unstable earth, man is unresting. He changes earth's surface. In rainy season, water falls on the earth's surface and it flows according to the slope and reach at mean sea level. Soil stores and filters water and make available for living organisms. And water in ground keeps plant and animal alive. The main aim of this paper is to review the effect of land use on infiltration. Now I will focus on overview of this study. My presentation is divided into the main sections. Firstly, take a look at various models used for study. Secondly, data analysis procedure. And finally, research trends and conclusion. If you look at this graphical abstract, you will see how land use change reduce infiltration rate and increase runoff rate. Example, if we extract the vegetation or plant cover on the earth's surface, the water infiltration rate would reduce and runoff rate would increase, means plants help to underground flow of water. Now I would like to look at the models used for study. Take a look at this single ring infiltrometer shown in figure 3a. Single ring infiltrometer involves driving a single metal ring partially into the soil and filling it to the water. Double ring infiltrometer in figure 3b shows in contrast required two rings. Example, inner and outer rings, which creates one-dimensional flow of water from the inner ring. Automated single ring infiltrometer in figure 3c can be easily fabricated and opted. It can be used for various situations where a large number of recordings needed to be collected. But most commonly used infiltrometer are single or double ring infiltrometer. Let us look at another graph of Selim. He did an experiment to cultivated field, natural field and fish farm. Site 1 shows cultivated farm infiltration rate at the beginning was low and decreased to reach the constant value. Site 2 shows natural field infiltration rate at the beginning was high and decreases with reach and constant value. Site 3 infiltration rate at the beginning was low and decreased to reach the constant value, and it will summarize that the initial infiltration for site 2 was high due to low initial water content in the soil of natural fields. This leads to my next point. Let us turn to the conclusion and future. Land use effect on infiltration is a process of many variables. From the above study, it can be said that models like single or double ring infiltrometer, automated single ring infiltrometer is useful for studying the effect of land use on soil infiltration, and the review reveals that there is a need of study to conserve water table of earth's surface. That brings me to the end of my presentation. I have talked about review on effect of land use on infiltration. Thank you for your attention. I will be glad to answer any question you might have. Please do write below comment box of this video.